interceptor, jet of.
I says I interceptor.
Bird flies on a mission. J says jet, 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 jump through the sky so fast.
K says kicks up into the windy sky.
L-I aircraft on.
L says light aircraft lifts up and flies.
Military plane.
M says military plane moves across the sky.
Nose jet O. M says
And those jet nips through the clouds.
observation plane. O says observation plane observes from above. Passenger
P
plane.
says beep, 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 passenger plane. People fly around the world. Q quad. Q says quiet breaks in outer space.
Spaceship.
S says spaceship sails among the stars.
Transport plane.
T says transport plane travels high above.
U ultralight aircraft.
U says you ultralight aircraft flies up high.
Vintage airplane. V
Says
vintage airplane visits the sky. When I look,
Idler waves through the wind.
XX plane.
X says plane explores new sky.
Yak aircraft.
U says yacker flies above the clouds.
C zeppelin.
C says airplane zooms across the sky.
Wide apple sky. Jet adventure.
Learn letters, sounds, and flying fun. A is for ant, ant. B is for ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for drum, drum. E is for egg, egg. F is for fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, hat. I is for ink, ink. J is for jam, jam. K is for kite, kite. L is for lamp, lamp. M is for mug. N is for nest, nest. O is for owl, owl. P is for pen, pen. Q is for quote. R is for ring. S is for sock. T is for tap, tick tap. U is for earn. V is for van, the van. W is for web. X is for box, box. Y is for yarn. Z is for zip.
Airplane flies in the sky.
B says the balloon floats high in the sky.
C said Interceptor.
I says
I interceptor. Flies on a mission. J says jet, jump through the sky so fast.
He says kicks up into the windy sky.
Light aircraft on.
L says a light aircraft lifts up and flies.
Military plane.
M says military plane moves across the sky.
Nose jet on. M says
And those jet natives through the clouds.
observation plane. O says observation plane observes from above. Passenger
He
plane.
says beep, 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 passenger plane. People fly around the world. Q quad. Q says quiet breaks in outer space.
Spaceship.
S says spaceship sails among the stars.
Transport plane.
T says transport plane travels high above.
You ultralight aircraft
U
too.
says you ultralight aircraft flies up high.
Vintage airplane.
V says
Vintage airplane visits the sky. When pilot.
Islander waves through the wind.
XX plane.
X says X plane explores new sky.
Yak aircraft
U
too.
says yacker flies above the clouds.
Sea zeppelin.
C says airplane zooms across the sky.
Wonderful sky. Jetted them to.
Learn letters, sounds, and flying fun. A is for Babysat, Babysat. Waiting in the water, its long beak is set. B is for Bluebird, beep, 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 Bluebird. Singing in the morning, sweetest song you've heard.
C is for cuckoo.
Cuckoo,
Calling from the forest, saying cuckoo to you.
D is for dove, dove. Soft white feathers spreading gentle love.
E is for egret.
Egret,
Standing in the marsh, elegant silhouette.
F is for falcon, falcon. Fastest in the sky, flying like a champion.
G is for goldfinch. Goldfinch. Yellow like sunshine, hopping on a branch.
H is for heron, hatch, heron. Tall and quiet, waiting near the lagoon.
I is for ibis.
Ibis,
With the curved long beak, it walks with bliss.
J is for jaybird, jaybird.
Bright blue wings flutter, chirping every word.
J is for kingfisher, kingfisher.
Diving in the river, catching fish quicker. L is for lark. Lark. Singing up high from early in the dark.
M is for macaw, macaw. Rainbow-colored feathers saying hola and wow.
M M is for nighthawk, nighthawk, flying after sunset as the night gets dark. O is for Oreo, Oreo, orange little singer with a beautiful roll. P is for partridge, partridge, walking on the ground, spreading wings in courage. Q is for quail, quail, with a tiny head plume and a gentle tail. R is for robin, robin, red chest glowing as it keeps on bobbing. S is for starling, starling, flying in big flocks that keep swirling and sparkling. T is for tern, turn, gliding over waves with a swooping turn. U is for umbrella bird, umbrella bird, big fancy crest, the coolest you've heard. V is for vulture, vulture, circle in the sky, nature's clean-up helper. W is for wagtag, wit, wary tail, dancing with its tail, going wag, wag, wag. X is for xanthus, hummingbird, kicks, xanthus, hummingbird, tiny wings buzzing faster than a word. Y is for yellowhammer, yellowhammer, golden feathers shining like summer. Z is for zebra finch, zebra finch, striped like a zebra with a happy